Okay, we're going to look at how Asta Power Project integrates with Microsoft Outlook, and the first video deals with the configuration. So the first thing that you need to have set is that the user, so in this case we're in as admin, has a tick for publish. So if you have sub-users in the project, they should have the publish tick if they are going to export and import from Outlook. When we look at our resources, so here I have a resource called Andrew Willard. Here we have to set an email address for Andrew Willard. So this is obviously the email that we're going to send the notification to. So back in our project, we have to set a couple more items. So on the allocation tab here, first time we do it, you can see we have a publish item. So here we are going to select email and publishing options. That has to be set first of all. So here we can decide to set them as tasks or appointments or as email. So I shall do all three. And we can decide to publish these manually, i.e. When there are changes, publish, click a button and send everything, but I'm going to choose publish automatically just so that you can see it happen. Obviously if there are lots of changes, there's going to be loads of emails, so certain companies would have filters on for certain things, but that's a configuration issue we can talk about later on. And obviously this user here would need to have the ability to play with other people's Outlook calendars. So the other option is apply user changes when publishing, progress tasks from allocations, because this allows the user to make a change in Outlook to progress, and when we bring that back in, it will update the project with the new date. So that's the configuration. Interfacing with Outlook, we're going to publish it as everything automatically and apply user changes when publishing. So I'm going to click OK there. The other thing that we can do, just to point out, is we can import the resources. So rather than creating a resource library, we could click on this and it will give me my all the people inside my address book, and I can click on those and import them. So it's a quick way of creating our resource library, if you like. So now what I'm going to do is to allocate Andrew Willard to this task, and once I do this, hopefully this will send me an email shortly with my task assignment, which is what's happened. So it's telling me that I've been assigned to the following task in the Outlook project. It's the name of my project. The task name is my task, and these are the dates where I'm going to do it. So hopefully if we go to the 10th of April in my Outlook calendar, you can see I have a task assignment as well. So that's great. So it sent me an email and it's plonked it in there. So the other thing obviously is if this was to alter in time, or if I was unallocated, it's going to send me another email eventually telling me here, you can see I've just got that this has changed and now it's the 11th of April at 8 o'clock. So if we go to here, you can now see that we have our task for the 11th of April, and what I'm going to do is I can make some changes to this if I so wish. I could change the dates, and obviously I can use all of the Outlook functionality, if you like, that I would require. So that's looking at it as a calendar item, but if we look at it as a task, here's my task item. If I double click on that, I see my task, and you can see here that I can set a percent complete. So if we were to say 50% complete in here, and save and close that, and go back to here, back to Power Project and to publish, and I'm just going to click on OK. You can see I've come up with this has given me alert to say that Andrew Willard has changed the percentage of my task to 50, so I have the opportunity of rejecting that if I so wish, but I'm going to click on OK, and now that adds 50% complete. So hopefully you can see that you're able to export task, email and calendar items out, and to update progress